When a contractor needs to bring convenient power and data to interior spaces, they need electrical wiring solutions that are adaptable and easy to install. The Redesign Connectrac On-Floor Express Kit meets these demands with the perfect blend of flexibility and grab-and-go efficiency. This updated kit includes a standard 6-foot pre-wired length with optional 3-foot extensions available for added customization. For additional design versatility, an enhanced 90-degree corner ramp and furniture feed accessory are available separately, guaranteeing that every installation is a perfect fit. The design changes align with our on-floor installation option with our undercarpet offering for a more seamless customer experience. The enhancements are part of Legrand's commitment to continue delivering reliable, adaptable electrical wiring solutions that bring convenient power and data to any interior space. To learn more, reach out to your Legrand sales rep.